Oh, huwag mo nang patayin. Okay. Lol!
Buksan natin. Tingnan natin.
Buksan mo muna.
Pangalawa.
Okay. So, we test run the engine situation now. Okay. So this is the actual situation now. Here, fuel coming in, going out to the gadget, going in to the gadget, and then going out back to the injection pump over here. Now, the hot water system, very simple. There is a bypass, original one here. This one is coming from there. Remove. Put the connection over here, going out back to the system. That's it. Okay. Now this is the Tico Green Tick technician, and Noli, and this one Paul. Paul is a long time chief mechanic on this company, nationwide brokers. Now, Paul, what happened? Ano nangyari sa mga kabitan?
Ang masasabi ko lang, okay. Maganda yung performance niya, yung kinabit na gadget, pati sa mga truck, makakabitan na lahat.
Okay.
Okay ako, kaya inukuyahan ko para makakabitan lahat yung ano. Okay ako sa gadget. Wala, usok na wala. Maganda yung consumption, maganda hatak, malakas. Okay ako.
So, according to the chief mechanic, he is satisfied. And also Mr. Ricky also, this is the big boss, the owner's driver, is also satisfied. So guys, everything is okay. Now this is Land Cruiser V8 2017 model, and this is not only the one that we had been installed. We have a lot of installation already, and the feedback, we are receiving a lot of certified and satisfied customers. Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you, sir. Thank you.